Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Online Learning. Dear students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. Dear students, today we shall continue adaptations to environment of terrestrial animals. Students, we already read that terrestrial animals have legs to move and lungs to breathe on land. Then they also have well-developed sense organs and a nervous system in order to sense the changes in their surroundings. Students, animals like snakes, they do not have legs, right? Students, they have plates or scales that help them crawl on land. See the image shown here. Here you can see the scales of snakes which help them to crawl. Okay, see the image. See the image of snake crawling on the land. This is also image of crawling snake. Then students, animals like polar bears and Arctic foxes, they live in cold regions, right students? They have fur on their bodies to keep them warm because they live in cold regions. Okay? To protect themselves from the cold, they have thick fur on their bodies to keep them warm. They also have fat under the skin to be used as food in winter. Okay? These animals, those animals that live in cold regions, they have fur on their bodies and they have fat under their skin to be used as food in winter. Understood, no students? See the images of polar animals. Animals that live in cold regions. Now, some terrestrial animals like lizards and frogs, they sleep for several months to protect themselves from the cold. Understood, students? Animals such as lizards and frogs sleep for several months to protect themselves from the cold. This long winter sleep of these animals are called hibernations. Okay? Long winter sleep of these animals are called hibernation. Students, the skin of desert animals is thick and not very hairy. This thick skin protects them from the heat of the sun. Okay, understood, no? Desert animals like camel, they have thick skin and hairless skin, and this skin protects them from the heat of the sun. Students, now let us learn about the adaptations of aquatic animals. Okay, adaptations of aquatic animals. Students, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Okay, we already know that animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, snails, turtles and crabs are some of the aquatic animals. See the image also. Fish, snails, turtles and crabs are some of the aquatic animals. Image of turtles. Such animals have fins or limbs. Okay, limbs suited for swimming in water. The limbs of such animals help them to swim in water. Okay. Just you see the images, limbs of turtles help them to swim in water. Image of crabs. Now, this is also image of crab. Students, the webbed feet of a duck help. This is the image of webbed feet. Okay. The webbed feet of a duck and the paddle-like limbs of a turtle help them to push back water while swimming. This is also webbed feet, and the paddle-like limbs of turtle already I shown you, right? And this webbed feet of a duck, swan, frog and all help these animals to swim in water, pushing back water. They push back water while swimming. For that, this webbed feet help them. Webbed feet and paddle-like limbs of turtle help them to push back water while swimming. This is the limbs of paddle-like limbs of turtle. This help them to push back water and swim. Okay. Limbs of turtle. And fish and crabs have gills that help them to breathe in water. Okay, fish and crabs have gills. This is the gills of a fish. Crabs also have gills, and through this, with the help of gills, they breathe in water. Okay students, that's all for today. Read the lesson part nicely and learn it. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Thank you.